our birds. This cage was recently built for finches.
The cage that we were building, it took over 2 weeks, and the metal netting was ordered from Amazon and the lumber was from Home Depot. I was helping my dad build the roof and it was very hot up there. So before the cage was built, we had to keep the finches in this room inside a flight cage. The smaller cages were for the parrotlets. Here we are moving the birds to their big cage.
This tied to the ceiling. It's because for their food and water, so they don't have to land on the ground to eat and drink.
The white, black and brown are the society finches. These pretty colored are lady Gouldians. You can find a variety of color in them. Lady Gouldians are native to Australia. Finches eat grass seeds, purple millets and canary seeds.
And they sing very sweetly. In this cage with finches, aka Lady Gouldians, we have some checkers and a peacock pheasant over there. Why peacock pheasants are called peacock pheasants is because of their beautifully colored feathers, just like a peacock. What peacock pheasants eat is poultry chicken feed.
The chukars eat the same food as the peacock pheasant, and we have 3 chukars. Look how beautiful his feathers are. This is the outside view of the cage, and it is 16 feet by 8 feet cage. It's pretty big. The cage is actually pretty big for the finches. I think they got a very good place to stay. This is all we got today, and please like, subscribe and share this video.